Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 8th, 2023. We're going to talk about AMC today because my last video, it didn't even come to fruition, and it happened real quick that the price in AMC fell 30%. And I actually found out the reason why. If you guys haven't saw this article, this is the reason why AMC stock fell 30%. It slid because AMC announced that they're going to sell more AMC stock into the market at market price. And there's not a time frame on how long they're going to do that. AMC is in some dire straits. Yes. And this has been a terrible end to what so many movements have completely vanished. The AMC apes are no longer aping around looking for this massive short squeeze. This does not bode well for those AMC apes, the ones who are trying to get rich off of a short squeeze. Because now you have what? Think about it. Now you have more dilution. The same share that you hold is going to become less and less valuable because Adam Aron is trying to drop more AMC shares into the market, which will decrease the value of what you already hold because you're producing too much of what the market already wants. This does not look well. That's why it fell 30%. So yeah, I didn't get my last price prediction correct at all. I was anticipating that I was going to see some slight movement to the upside, and that did not even happen. The market completely fell off a cliff. And given this information right here, you need to say that there's no bottom in sight with AMC stock price. There's no bottom. I mean, we look at the market here. You can already tell, zooming out the chart, that this market is already trading at all-time lows. Even with the splits, even with the reverse stock splits, the market here at AMC is trading around all-time lows. They need money, period. And this is the only viable option that Adam Aron has right now, is for him to sell more of his stock in the market so that he can at least keep AMC afloat. Now, I thought this was the whole gist of the AMC 8 movement anyways, because they didn't want AMC to go bankrupt. Well, he's doing it. He's trying to put out every option that he has to eliminate that from happening. And this is one of those options. So there you have it. There's no bottom in sight. None. Because who wants to buy a stock that is continually being diluted because he has a complete treasure chest of money that he can just simply throw out to create money for himself and his business to stay afloat? Look at this. This is another detriment to AMC that I saw from this article from CNBC. The U.S. movie business remains below pre-pandemic levels, and the ongoing strikes in Hollywood have clouded the release slate for the rest of 2023 and 2024. So if there's no movies being released, produced, created, directed, how are you going to put butts in the seat at your theaters if there's no new movies coming out because Hollywood's on strike? That also will put a dent in how much money AMC is going to bring in. Now, they do have Taylor Swift though, but that's only going to be a minimal cushion to a long trajectory of hardships, of losing money, of losing revenue because no one is going to the theaters. You can't go to the theaters when there's no new movies being released. So it will be in the best interest of AMC that this Hollywood strike ends ASAP. If it doesn't happen relatively soon, the stock price of AMC is going to go a lot lower. Yes, it will. Here it is on the wiki chart. Okay. That doesn't look bullish at all. Take a look at the month. It's been a complete drop. Nothing positive has actually happened into the market in AMC. Okay. So at some point, you have to step away from the market until it becomes more feasible to see this stock either begin a new trend and go up, because right now the current trend is inevitably to the downside. Okay, there's no bottom. Here it is at support. Don't be surprised if we do see a move to the upside in AMC and the market goes up 20%. Like, you will be happy, but it's only going to be a momentary thing because this stock is completely weak. Now we might see it run up here, which will give us what? Let's see. Like I said, 11-12% move to the upside. But let's not get overly excited about that. Okay. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this alone. I'm already going to touch AMC right now because the market is completely dead. It's completely useless as of this particular moment because there's nothing really going on into this market unless outside of it falling in price. I want us to see a continuation of market at least creating a basis support, because then that would tell me that the market buyers are coming in the market and actually supporting the price. We haven't seen that yet, and once I see that, then I might come through and drop another prediction looking for AMC to go higher. Okay, but outside of that, give me your thoughts about AMC, about them selling more shares into the market at market prices. And this is the individuals, or not the individuals, but the entities that is selling these AMC shares to you. You have Citigroup, Barclays, B. Riley Securities, and Goldman Sachs. They're the one who's selling the new shares to you. Congratulations. Give me your thoughts though. Hit that like button so you can also subscribe. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.